up your sleeves, let the flow begin. Welcome to Workflow.
Welcome to the workflow. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the scroll saw. This is a scroll saw. This is a very versatile machine that you can use for your projects. Normally you use it to cut very thin pieces of wood, and today we're going to be using the example with this material. The safety measurements that you need for this project and for this machine are using your safety goggles. Let's see what you have to see on the machine before you start. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to place your material on your work plate, and then you have to adjust this. So you're going to unscrew it and then put it on top of your material. You should be able to move the material. Right now it's too tight, so I'm going to go a little bit up. All right, like this. So it's holding the material, but it also lets you move. And then we're going to check our blade. The blade has to be adjusted properly with tension, and it shouldn't be bended. All right, now we have to put our lock, and then we are able to adjust the speed by going here from low to high depending on the material we're using. When we're using this machine, we are moving our hands, so we are scrolling our wood into the blade without forcing the blade. So one of the things that happens very often with these machines is that people break the blade because they put too much pressure. So I'm gonna put medium speed and I'm gonna turn it on. And then I can just move my hands. I'll probably need a little bit more speed. This machine is very good to work with making curves. Once you're done, you can turn it off and you can get your parts. So that's how you use the scroll saw. I hope you have fun using it, and remember always to stay safe.
The sound of the clock in this workshop. Ideas unlock a palette of tools. Let's give them a spin. Roll